We'll be taking a look at the Chalkola acrylic paint set, which has 24 colors. And it gives a description of what the colors are, gives you the light fastness, the opacity, and their pigment code. Well, let's open it up. Alright, we have the palette. You can feel fancy with your colors. Then we have the 5 panels, and the panels are 100% cotton. I'm assuming they're not primed because when they're unprimed, they're 3 ounces, primed 8 ounces. Acid free, suitable for acrylic, oils, and watercolors. They're 8x10s. Then we have the 10 different style of brushes. Here we have the different paint colors, and there's 12 in each tray. It has a very soft container, so it should be easy to squeeze out the paint. Just open it up, and it's ready to go. The finish type is going to be gloss. These are artist quality premium paints, good for professionals, beginners, or students. Easy to use and easy to store away. And this has been the Chalkola acrylic paint set, 24 colors.